Hey, what's going on, you guys? So, mail came in, as you can see. It's from Big Bad Toy Store. And I'm gonna go ahead and open this box up so you guys can see what's in the box. I ordered a few action figures from the Marvel Legends just to give you an idea of what's in the box. So, yeah, let's go ahead and open it up. G.I. Joe Classified. Black Widow, the Infinity Saga. So this is from, I think, she looks like the one from Winter Soldier, I think. Yeah, the Winter Soldier. I think it was like from the Mandroid wave, I believe. So yeah. But this one has like the other head sculpt as well with the short hair. So that's good. And this one, Gore. I mean, man, look at the detail. Damn, so realistic. They did a pretty good job with him. And then look at that sword, man. That's a pretty cool sword. So, yeah. And then I also got Valkyrie, Thor: Love and Thunder, King Valkyrie. But I also have her. I have the other Valkyrie version. I think it's from Thor Ragnarok. She comes with a different outfit. So, yeah. She was on sale. And then, lastly but not least, is Sylvie, you guys. I got Sylvie from Loki, the TV show series. And that's another picture of her, the artwork, a little bio of her on the top right hand corner. And then you can collect all the figures to create a character, which this one is the Watcher. And man, I would like to have pretty much all of these, but oh well, so maybe, I don't know. We'll see. So yeah, I got Sylvie, and I do want to get Loki too as well, but within time. So yeah, that's it, you guys, for this unboxing, I guess, from the Big Bad Toy Store. This is what I got, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you so much for watching. And I'm out, you guys. Bye.